And Mr. Malava has come under fire for his statements on Tuesday by under fire from Councillor for the Trinity Division, the JLP's Dean Jones. However, former Mayor and Councillor for the White Horses Division, Hubert Williams, came to the JTA's President's defense.
I want to say to the President of the Jamaica Teachers Association that if you're seeking political mileage, you need to look elsewhere. You cannot politicize the office that you're sitting in.
In my honest opinion, that the school must be restored to its original function. And if these things are going on, I think what we should do as a people is, and good governance to speak to, is since Mr. Malava made his statement, do the necessary investigation to find out if Mr. Malava is just trying to cause trouble. Because these are worrying things that we should be really concerned about. If it's true, more just shake them out like that.